this video, we're going to look at some manual muscle testing of the shoulder complex. So starting with shoulder flexion, you're going to have them come up here, ask them to hold this position. You want to be straight down with your force. Hold, don't let me move you. Good, and relax. External and internal rotation can be done with the arm at the side. For external rotation, you're going to straight force this way and ask them to resist. And then internal rotation can be done here. Hold, don't let me pull you away is a good cue. And relax. You also can look at the serratus anterior in this position here. So you want to bring it to about 120 degrees of shoulder flexion. It's going to be responsible for some upper rotation and some protraction of the scapula. So what you're going to do here is you're going to ask them to resist as you try to push down and a little bit back. And you're just looking for breaking of the shoulder blade.